Hi everyone, this is Badr Smart Systems company for web designing and software applications. And this is a tutorial of our course how to use our web application Badr for Sales successfully. And this lesson is about how to add a new user. After registering the POS which your store needs, you should employ users on it to be managed. As long as you are the manager, you give those users some permissions according to what you need from them. And to do that, follow the next. From the home page, choose Settings. Then choose Users. So a new page will appear for you. Click on Add New User. You will find some cells need to be filled. Here, you must assign the username. For example, Sam. Then his full name, Sammy Adams. Then his password. Then retype the password. Then assign the POS which he will manage. After that, you should assign what permissions will he have to give you what you need. Our company help you to assign these permissions by presenting three levels of these permissions: ordinary user permissions, medium user permissions, and advanced user permissions. And this is an explanation for each of them. First, ordinary user permissions. Log into the program. Here, is he allowed to log in the system or not? Points of sales. Here, is he allowed to sell or not? Record returns. Here, is he allowed to record returned items from the customers or not? Show reports. Here, is he allowed to have a look on the reports of expenses, sales, profit, loss, return items, or in other reports or not? Selling by discount. Here, is he allowed to sell by discount to customer or not? Selling in term. Here, is he allowed to sell in term or cash to customers? Access to daily sales. Here, is he allowed to have a look on the store sales or not? View customers data. Here, is he allowed to have a look on customers data as their names, addresses or not? Showing commissions. Here, is he allowed to have a look on sellers' commissions or customers' commissions or not? Access to suppliers data. Here, is he allowed to have a look on suppliers data as their accounts, names, addresses, telephone numbers or not? Show alerts of lacks. Here, if there is an alert for lacking item, is he allowed to have a look on it or not? To show its reports or not? Second, the medium user permissions. Change the date of sale. Is he allowed to change the selling date of any items or not? Edit sales price. Is he allowed to edit the selling price of an item temporarily in the current invoice and not permanently or not? Expenses. Is he allowed to add expenses for the store and see them or not? Add returned purchases. Here, is he allowed to add returned items to suppliers or not? Access to purchases. Here, is he allowed to have a look on the purchasing items of the store or not? Add suppliers. Here, Is he allowed to add a supplier to the store or not? Add new item. Here, is he allowed to add a new item to the store to be sold or not? View items. Here, is he allowed to have a look on the items data which the store sells or not? Show purchasing price. Here, is he allowed to have a look on the prices of purchasing items or not? The real price of the items. Is he allowed to have a look on it or not? Advanced user permissions. Here, edit item. Is he allowed to edit the item's data as purchasing and selling price and the quantity or not? Settings appearing. Is he allowed to see the setting page which enables him to change the program settings or the accounts or the reports as if they have your permissions or not? Change POS. Can he change some points of sales with changing their users or not? Users management. Is he allowed to add or delete or edit users' data or not? Delete items and records. Here, does he have the authority to delete the items which the store will not sell anymore? Or their documents or reports that the program issued for treatments or sales and or reports that have been issued while using the program. Category. Does he have the authority to insert some categories under which the items will be included at the store besides assigning the category of each item or not? Backup. Can he take a backup of the program data which belongs to the store completely or not? After you assign these permissions, you will click on register to be saved successfully. For example, I will take some permissions here, 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 and from here I will take here, 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 and I will take here. Then click on register and I will see a message in the upper part of the screen which said to me that the new user has been saved successfully. I press OK, so I will find him here. He is added. I can from here check his activity if I need this, or edit his permissions or his data if I wish here. Finally, we hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, please click on like and share. Bye bye.